That's right. Probably do. I see a lot more community. I don't watch sports right now.